What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we have to form the top of our fourth wave, and it is the retracement from this top to this bottom, and we have to have this movement to the upside, and the highest point, as you can see, this week is right here. And my main assumption was that we should have at least one more leg to the downside. And from this point we started to form this leg, and I also told you that this range, the previous lowest point, is the support line from which we might have a bounce. And as you can see, we hit this range at roughly $5.44 and have a bounce to the upside. And I have to say that this bounce is not the biggest one. It is not more than 5.3%. To its highest point is roughly basically 6.5%. So we have this bounce, and I have to say that for now we have this consolidation phase. In my technical analysis I will show you what should we expect next, but for now let's continue with the news. And I have to say that we have quite bearish news on investorplace.com, and let me quote you the title: Buy, sell or hold SOFI stock after Apple's announcement. And the key bullets are following. SOFI Technologies investors fled after Apple entered the buy now, pay later market. Fintech despair is real. SOFI might retest the 52-week low of $4.82 and head lower. And let me show you this. Apple's aggressive promotion of Apple Pay last week spooked SOFI investors. The technology giant already offers convenient monthly payment options. Apple will not only charge zero interest, but it will also forgive customers who do not pay back. Furthermore, the credit rating of those customers will not fall because Apple will not report the non-payment. Apple's ambitions to increase adoption of Apple Pay cast doubt on SOFI, a fintech. And let me show you this information. Because of this aggressive expansion on BNPL market, other fintech companies also move south. And let me show you this. The bears are betting big against SOFI. The short flow is 18% as negative investors believe SOFI's business lacks a moat. To outflank established financial institutions like Wells Fargo or Bank of America, SOFI needs above average customer growth. As market conditions tighten, it will have higher marketing costs. For example, it must offer higher incentives and offer little to no service fees. And for sure, because of these fears, SOFI might lose some of its value. But I have to say, on a bigger picture, fintech industry is extremely high right now. And definitely, I don't think that Apple might push out of this industry some of existing players. This means I think this news is only the short-term catalyst, potential short-term negative catalyst for SOFI. And that's why we have to be prepared to the next movement to the upside. And let me quote you this. Apple disrupted the fintech market with BNPL. It is willing to forgive customers who do not pay back, albeit only once. Still, customers enjoy that comfort in exchange for using Apple Pay. Once attached to Apple Pay, customers have one less reason to sign up for SOFI's services. Markets are preparing for the severe competition that SOFI faces from here. And I have to say that, in my opinion, I don't see the Apple as the direct competitor to SOFI, because SOFI has a much more financial services that Apple has, and definitely because of this, SOFI might bring much more value to its customers, and definitely it is not only the Apple Pay and the BNPL business model. So, and let me show you another news. I've told you that insiders are still buying, and let me show you that on my previous video I've told you that not only Anthony Noto but also Harvey Schwartz are buying the SOFI stocks. And right here on June 14th, we have an execution date of the stock-based compensation, and a lot of insiders, as you can see, received this stock-based compensation. And because it is a taxable event, they already pay taxes, and definitely they have to sell some of these stakes in order to pay these taxes. And let me show you one interesting detail. Michelle Jill on June 14th sold 50,000 shares of SOFI stock to the total amount of $274,000. And definitely I think this might be another short-term catalyst, because Michelle Jill, let me show it to you. She is an executive vice president lending and capital markets, and she is a CFO from 2018. And definitely this high C-level executive might provoke with her selling, might provoke some fears to the market, and definitely this might lead to temporary sell-off of SOFI stock. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I have to say that this movement to the downside is the combination of these two news that I just covered for you. And definitely we have the range of 5.44 as the range of support, as I predicted on my previous video. And what should we expect next? I have to say that we still have the 5.44 range as the range of support, and 5.99, roughly $6 mark, is the range of resistance. And in my opinion, we still have to complete the fifth wave inside our C wave of retracement. And definitely, if it is the case, we should break the bottom of this price action. We should break the $5.44 mark, and we might land somewhere lower. And this movement to the downside will complete the entire ABC correction. And from this range, somewhere here at roughly $5 mark, probably we might hit higher targets. And I have to say that the next range of support is very close. It is the $4.75, roughly this bottom. And if this asset breaks this bottom, it will be a major bearish sign for SOFI, and this will lead to longer consolidation phase on lower prices. And let me show you the bull case. If we completed internal fifth wave right here as the double bottom pattern, definitely the bottom of our C wave also might land right here. And if it is the case, from this range we might hit higher targets. But to confirm this breakdown, we have to break this previous swing high at the price point of roughly $6.19. And if this asset breaks this top, and then it will have a retracement, on the retracement you will be able to enter your swing trade position, because in this case we will form another higher highs and higher lows, and this means most likely we will hit higher targets. But for now, as I already mentioned, the key points are 5.44 and $5.99. Next key point is this $6.17. And depending on this price action, in a matter of next couple of days, I will do another update to give you even more technical information about this asset. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up.